Hello editors, do you want this pink CC for silly or cute edits?
Do you think I could join you guys?
I got you. But please, before we start, smash that like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks a lot. Here I forgot to put brilliance to -18. Sorry for my mistake. I noticed I forgot to add one small detail, but don't worry. Later in this video, I will fix it. If you don't have Pro, you can try orange-blue filter instead of cyan-red, or download CapCut Pro from my Discord server, link in the description. Now make sure the overlay, adjust, and the filter are in the back like this. The adjust and the filter should also be behind the overlay. Back to adjust one. Here is the small detail. And we are done. By the way, when I uploaded this post, more people wanted my main CC. So here's the deal. If we hit 1,000 members on my Discord server, 400 subscribers on this channel, and 10,000 subscribers on my edit channel, I'm gonna drop my CC tutorial. So subscribe, Discord link in the description. Alright, see you next time.